Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to send your live location on WhatsApp, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send live location to someone on WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. From all of this chat, choose and tap on particular chats you want to send your live location. Then tap on this paperclip icon. Now tap on this location. Now it will ask you to enable your GPS. Just tap on OK. Then enable this. Now tap on this share live location. Now it will ask you for how long you want to send your live location. Choose from here, and if you want you can add a comment to there like this. Then just tap on this send icon. And that's it. This is how you can send your live location to someone on WhatsApp. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.